Hello everyone, I hope all are safe and sound. Today we will read one story from your literature book, chapter number 2, and the name of the story is Oscar Penguin's New Penguin Suit. The story is about a penguin. The name of the penguin is Oscar, and Oscar loved to eat candy, cookies and jelly beans. Now let us read the story. Oscar Penguin loved to eat candy, cookies and jelly beans. Jelly beans means it is a kind of sweets which is coated with sugar. Oscar, you must stop eating only candy, cookies and jelly beans, said his mom one afternoon. Okay, mom, said Oscar Penguin. Oscar Penguin then went to his bedroom, closed the door and ate a large bag of jelly beans. I really love jelly beans, smiled Oscar. At dinner that night, Oscar was not hungry. Do you know why Oscar was not hungry? Because he ate a large bag of jelly beans. He ate only 2 peas, 2 string beans and 1 olive. As Oscar left the table, he thought, it's okay not to eat mom's food. I have lots of jelly beans. I can eat that. Then one day, Oscar Penguin got a big surprise. Oscar needed a new penguin suit. When Oscar went with his mom to get a new penguin suit at the penguin suit store, what happened do you know? All the suits were too small. None of the suits fit Oscar. Now Oscar was very upset. He called out, Mom, what am I going to do? None of the penguin suits fit me. What am I going to wear? Oscar's mom smiled, saying, Oscar, let's go home and talk. I know what you can do to fit into a new penguin suit. When they got home, Oscar's mom said in a gentle voice, gentle means in a very soft voice, Oscar, there are 3 things you can do to solve your problem. Now, mother suggested Oscar to follow certain rules. You can stop eating junk foods and sweets because Oscar loved to eat junk food and sweets. You can start eating healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereal, chicken and fish. The meaning of cereal is it is a grains like wheat or maize. We have it during at the time of our breakfast. And you can begin doing a bit of jiggle jogging each day. Here mother suggested Oscar to eat healthy food and to jog every day. Oscar answered, Sure, Mom, I can do those 3 things. Oscar Penguin ate healthy food, jiggle, jogged each day, and at last what happened? Oscar Penguin became healthy and strong, and as in a result, he got a brand new penguin suit. Before what happened? Why he was surprised? He was surprised that none of the penguin suit was fitting. And now, after following certain rules and also what his mother told him to do, he did everything. Like he ate healthy food and he jogged every day. After doing this, he became healthy and strong, and as a result, he got a new brand penguin suit. I hope the chapter is clear to you. It's a very simple story about a penguin. You read this story again and again. Read all the spellings. Okay? Thank you.